Hey YouTube, welcome to another action figure review. Today we have Tamashi Nation store, Chainsaw Man best selection. Went to the Tamashi Nation store in the city and picked this guy up. So this is the box, the side of the box, Chainsaw Man best selection. Back of the box. Side of the box. So we're gonna take him out of the box and see what he looks like in the plastic. So this is what he looks like in the plastic. Just some couple of different hands, closed hands, open hand. Pretty much that's it. Not a lot, but the figure looks really cool, amazing. And gonna test the articulation. So going over articulation, I go side to side, good. Can go all the way around, 360. Butterfly joints, shoulder joint. Arm rotates 360. No bicep, but he has this like kind of right here at that point. He can twist his arm. Single jointed elbow, 360 arm, twist at the elbow, single jointed elbow, ab crunch pretty deep, down, can get really far back, which is good. Thigh cut, double jointed knee, foot goes side to side, on a rocker, up and down, and then he has a toe, articulation, thigh cut, double jointed knee, side to side, toe cut, up and down. Then does a split going like this, easy, split going like that. So really good articulation. Looks like they had to work around the chainsaws, but really good articulation nonetheless. So I'm gonna put this guy in some poses. And yeah, guys, this Tamashi Nation exclusive is phenomenal. It's really good. Love the blood. The chainsaws are like really shiny, like, try to really look like real chainsaws. Prickly, you can, like, just like a cactus. The head sculpt is amazing. This figure is amazing. The the pants are soft, so I guess what had happened as, like, I was handling it, like, they're kind of squished in, but they do squish back out. But I must say, it is a pretty, like, paint application wise. I think the SH figures really shines. The way that it just has better paint, and it's almost more true to the anime, so it does hold its own. I think the only part where they kind of missed the mark on this exclusive, they should have added like another head with the tongue out. It's just nice to have. I would think that would have really kind of shut the Figma version down a little bit more. But really well done. Really solid figure. It really shines. And if you really want kind of like that more like kind of truer to the anime figure, I think the SH figures exclusive is the might be the better option when it comes to, like, how true to the anime. And of course the blood, having chainsaws, I mean, the blood kind of really helps too, in a sense. Gives it kind of like that in action, in battle kind of feel, instead of just kind of like a plain just standing there. You're kind of left wondering where this blood came from, right? So I gotta highly recommend this figure. It may not come with all the bells and whistles of the Figma version. Like, the Figma has, like, the regular character, and then they have the chainsaw man with the tongue out and everything. But this one, I think, is like better done. The paint, the sculpt is very similar between the two, but very happy with this one. If you are critical of your paint applications, I would say that the SH figures has yet to be beat. And that, let me know what you think. Take care and have a good one.